I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this short video is going to show you how metal joining pieces work on the majority of metal poles. The Galleria pole is slightly different, so if you have ordered a Galleria pole, please see the Galleria joining piece video. So for the majority of metal poles, including Swish, Neo and Jones, the pieces are supplied similar to this. So this is the Neo one and this is the Swish one, so very similar. They are supplied just in a natural metal finish. They go inside the pole so you don't see them, so that's why there is just the one colour. So don't be surprised if you've ordered a black nickel or a burnished brass or spun brass pole and it arrives and it's a slightly silver colour. It's because it goes inside the pole so you won't see it once it's installed. So you simply squeeze the joining piece together and then if it is a little bit tight, just twist it inside the pole. And half of the joining piece goes in the pole on one side and then the pole on the other side fits over the other side of the joining piece. So I'll just show you, this is a 35mm pole, the 28mm and other diameters work in the same way. So you just gently squeeze it, push it inside, and then as I say, if it's a little bit stiff, just give it a little twist until half is in one side of the pole. Then the other pole goes over the other half and the two poles are joined together. The centre bracket then conceals the join. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have, please do like our video. You can subscribe to our channel and watch our full playlist over here. Thank you for watching.